YouTube, today I'm going to be looking at the large tube mount for GoPros for roll bars, pipes, plus more. As you can see, it was on sale at Walmart, caught my eye. Usually these are 20 bucks, $19, sorry, not 20, $19. It was $9.63 according to Indiana taxes. I assume that these will fit on my bike as well, since I have the Mongoose Dolomite. It's a 26-inch fat tire bike, and it is time to see what this package contains. I guess this has been opened because the tape was already cut, but yeah, you get the pipe wrapper and you also get the screw. Luckily, whoever opened it didn't take anything out of it. It's time to test this bad boy. There it is. On the bikes, it was going to fit over my gear shifter right here, but it'll be slightly tilted and I have to shift gears when going uphill. So it does fit on the Mongoose Dolomite fat tire bike on the front tire bar, and you get a straight shot. A little bit crooked, you'll have to fix that in the editor if you don't like it. You could also put it on the brake thing if you're feeling a little daring, or right here, and you can get like a little nice left to right angle. You might get the pedals if you're pedaling, if you want a cool pedal shot, but it won't really fit anywhere else on this bike at all except right here's the perfect spot if you want to get front shots like the tire or scenery, things like that. So it is time to test this bad boy out.
Is it perfect? Absolutely not. You're gonna get some jitter, but it makes it look like everything's moving except the tire and the bike. Like the tire sometimes does that really cool looking spin back and then freezes and then goes forward again. The quality depends on your GoPro. The only thing that's really bad about it is that the way that I had it, which is like right beside the turning fork, how you turn the bike and stuff, you can only turn about 90 degrees instead of the full 180 before it like, you know, the GoPro and the bar pipe attachment hits it to where you can't turn anymore. So you can't do like really tight turns to the right if you have on the right side, or the left when you have on the left side. But I think it looks cool. It looks like a racing video, BMX video. Like I said, you could probably try and get something on the middle one to get some side, the little pedals, so you can have like the front tire and someone's feet pedaling. And then I think it might fit on one of the back ones. I'm not certain. If you want like a back shot too. Otherwise, just put like a GoPro on the back of your helmet and record that way to get cool back shots. And then you've got like your BMX setup. If you want to get some cool BMX shots, BMX movie, transitional scene, things of that sort, I think it's great. And you should get one if you can get it for $9.90. Not $9.90, $9.63. It's great. I wouldn't pay 20 bucks for it, but $9.63 for a new one is great. Have a nice day.